Welcome to Learn and Success Today topic Inspirational Quotes. 1. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more you learn, the more places you'll go. It is better to be a failure at something you love than to be a success at something you hate. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Play is our brain's favorite way of learning. No kid is unsmart. Every kid's a genius at something. Our job is to find it and then encourage it. Pulling someone down will never help you reach the top. All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Always chase your dreams instead of running from your fears. Play is our brain's favorite way of learning. Give the world the best you have, and the best will come to you. I don't love studying, I hate studying. I like learning. Learning is beautiful. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Do not give up. The beginning is always the hardest. If you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams, and you will always look lovely. Those who try to do something and fail are infinitely better than those who try to do nothing and succeed. Don't expect your friend to be a perfect person, but help your friend to become a perfect person. That is true friendship. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Take every chance you get in life, because some things only happens once. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. Everyone is trying to accomplish something big, not realizing that life is made up of little things. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. The best teachers are those who show you where to look, but don't tell you what to see. Stop worrying about what you have to lose and start focusing on what you have to gain. You'll never be brave if you don't get hurt. You'll never learn if you don't make mistakes. You'll never be successful if you don't encounter failure. Character is the real foundation of all worthwhile success. You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you will never grow from it. Subscribe for more quotes.